nice. It's cool. It's dark.
We're going to Minecraft.
You can't. You have to watch in my bedroom what's on the TV in here.
Just a
You're
second.
welcome to
Our
go.
room's way too hot. That's what I think the problem is.
You're welcome to go in there, Kelly, if you want to. You want to give it a try.
Gonna go to login. It's gonna do my Minecraft. We're gonna go to text effects. We're gonna go to that one. Okay, so we're gonna go to one of our worlds. We're gonna load it up. And here is my world. You could see, like, whenever you want to move, you could just like, I have a wooden sword, you could see that. Then we're moving now. And here's a jungle biome I found. We're gonna make it, an apple. Never found an apple before in the
Tammy,
jungle.
did you record Kimmel?
Yeah.
Did you record Thursday?